this is how the newest high-end condo we are selling here in BGC Uptown looks like. At ngayon, ituturo namin kayo sa ating
Studio unit and one-bedroom unit dito sa showroom ng Uptown Modern.
So, by the way, this is just a showroom tour kasi kaka-open lang din ng mga showroom natin. So, hindi ko na papatagalin. Tara,
Let's go!
sige. Hi guys, this is Christian Morado.
And this is Nav.
So Nav is our newest colleague here. Bagong teammate natin siya as a real estate agent here in Mega World Corporation. But right now, ayan, pupunta tayo to our showroom, which is the Mega World Uptown Experience Gallery. So this showroom is located inside Uptown Mall. So dito nakalagay yung ating sample units and many more. So ayan, hindi ko na papatagalin, pasok tayo.
Let's go!
So this will be the main entrance of our showroom. See?
Wow, this is a very beautiful entrance.
Yeah.
From the chandelier to the logo to the desk, parang may harmony yung design dito.
Yeah, so mapapansin mo dito, kita agad yung bubukad sa atin is the logo of Mega World Corporation. So even the design is unique, na-maintain din yung magandang combination of color palette as a luxury property.
Yeah. Yung
So
brown,
mapapansin mo
white.
din dito, the tiles we use here, we have parang maliit na television here also. Ayan. And ayun, punta naman tayo sa another part of our show. Ayan, so this is it.
Wow.
This is our negotiation area.
This is a very spacious negotiation area.
Yeah. Kita mo naman, we have 3 tables here. Every table has a 4 seats. Dito yung perfect spot, syempre, to talk about the property itself. Kumbaga, if you have an appointment or usually pull-ins because here, this is our showroom here in the mall. So ito rin yung perfect spot talaga or perfect place to meet and also to discuss the property.
From the design alone,
Yeah.
parang the browns, the whites, the golds, gives a very quiet sense of luxury.
Yes.
Good place to negotiate, to look for a property.
Yes, actually the condo is also high-end. So kailangan talaga ganito yung standard natin.
Speaking of the condo, ano pala to? This is very eye-catching over here.
Yeah, so ito na pala yung condo. So the name of the property is Uptown Modern. Ito yung condo na binibenta namin which is will be ready by 2031. So a pre-selling condo, mas maganda dito kasi maraming promos. For example, for this one, this is payable for 5 years nang walang down payment. At binabayaran siya ng walang interest.
Not bad.
But before going that, syempre, papakilala ko lang din na this condo is inspired by a New York standard building. We have the full floor-to-ceiling glass window. Yung sa baba natin will be the main lobby at meron tayong 6 retails or restaurants. Kita nyo rin dito yung pool, which is location ng amenity, which is on the 6th floor. Ayan. Marami din tayong open sky gardens here. Here. Ayan. Magkabila ang part siya ng building.
Okay. Tapos ilang floors pala to, si Uptown Modern?
Oh, not to mention, this will be our tallest condo in the area with 54 floors.
Wow.
Ayan.
It's very
Tapos isang tower lang siya, pero this one has a 10 high-speed elevator.
Galing. Ganda talaga ng design ng showroom. I just can't get over the fact
Yeah.
how all of everything here just works well together. Let's look at the chandelier.
Yeah. Ang
Parang
ganda ng
centering
chandelier
the
na.
centering the scale model.
Yeah, perfect yung place ng chandelier niya, gitnang-gitna, and this is a spiral design.
It's my screen pa dun showing the unit.
Yes, and so it shows some unit layouts, iba't ibang unit layouts meron tayo dito sa property na to. And yeah, let's proceed.
All right. By the way, Sir Christian, I noticed there are maps on the wall of the showroom. Para saan to?
Yeah, so ito naman yung listahan ng mga townships ni Mega World.
Okay.
By the way, si Mega World kasi yung pioneer ng township. So when we say township, ito yung complete concept community ng isang area, which is developed by just one developer. So actually, we already have 37 townships here across the Philippines.
Dami.
Yeah.
So is this an example of township?
Yes, perfect. Isa na dyan as example si Uptown BGC.
Wow.
So Uptown BGC consists of complete community. Andito na yung offices, malapit sa international schools. We have already malls, especially malls, and also residential condos. Ayan. So kagaya lang din siya ni McKinley Hill, McKinley West, Forbes Park, even Eastwood.
Wow.
So ngayon, tara, gusto mo ba makita yung mga units natin?
Let's go.
Okay, let's go guys. So dito, ito naman yung way papunta sa mga sample units natin kasi we have just 2 sample units. We have studio unit and 1-bedroom unit. But don't you worry, we still have many units available. Meron pa tayong 2-bedroom hanggang 3-bedroom available units. So ito yung magiging daanan natin papuntang sample units. So mapapansin nyo dito, meron tayong photos of the amenities. Andito na yung mga pictures of our fitness gym, entertainment suite, pool, sky lounges, and other pictures of Uptown London.
Ganda ng renders ng amenities. It's very hotel-like.
Yeah. And maganda sa mga renders ko, ano yung nakikita nyo sa pictures, yun lang din yung makukuha nyo.
Okay.
So ayan, proceed tayo dito.
Alright.
So, this part naman, una nating makikita is the 1-bedroom. Pero, last na itutur natin yan, umpisa mo natin sa ating smallest unit.
Okay.
So, by the way, Nav, this is our smallest unit available for Uptown Modern.
Oh.
Yet, it is already 40 square meter.
40 square meters
Yes.
is the smallest unit.
Yes.
Wow.
So, it's quite big because compared to our other studio units, this is a lot bigger than that.
Okay, let's check it out.
Yeah, go.
Ganda.
So, with the size of 40 square meter, ang concept ng unit is open space or open concept. Kasi it's up to you kung paano mo lalaroin yung layout.
Okay.
Kung paano i-maximize yung mismong layout. If you want to put a partition, kung gusto mo siyang hotel type or homey vibe. So, nasa iyo siya.
So, hindi to included upon turnover?
Yes, this is just an idea. Parang semi-partition lang siya.
So, ano pala yung inclusions ng unit
Yeah.
sa Uptown Modern?
Good question, guys. Kasi actually, ito yung first time ever na magbibigay kami ng condo na almost complete na yung finishings and appliances. So, we will starting for the kitchen set. So now, by the way, ito yung ating complete kitchen set.
Wow.
And surprisingly, what you can see is what you can get.
Wow, so all of these things are already built
Yes.
upon turnover.
Isa-isahin natin.
Sige.
We have the built-in microwave oven, up and down kitchen cabinets, 2 induction cooktop, range hood. We also have box-type sink with retractable faucet.
Galing, try ko nga.
Yeah.
Retractable nga.
Ganda, no?
Ano to? Why is there a big cabinet here?
Yes. Most of our clients, mapansin to, akala nila this is just a cabinet. Pero pag inopen mo, this is a built-in refrigerator. Ayan. Meron tayong up and down. We have the freezer. Ayan. Malaki din yung size ng refrigerator natin. And the brand is Golden Hay for the appliances natin sa kitchen.
Galing.
So after that, i-check naman natin yung ating toilet and bath.
Okay.
And this is already has complete sanitary fittings.
Wow.
Ayan. Maganda rin dyan, lahat na nakikita nyo, kasama na.
So you're saying this full enclosed glass
Yes.
partition is included, the rain shower?
For example, this one, we have the lavatory sink. Ayan. Na may cabinet sa baba. Malaki din yung storage for the cabinet. So this is a mirror with LED lights. Ayan. And may panel din siya.
And it's also
Soft close. By the way, lahat ng cabinets na unit na to is soft close.
galing.
So on the other side naman, this will be the shower room. So American standard kasi mataas din yung rain shower natin. Plus malawak din yan sa loob. Later, ipapakita ko sa inyo gaano kalawak sa loob sa isa pa nating unit. So even the toilet and bidet, kasama na. Ayan. So let's go. So ayan, munti ko na makalimutan. Meron din tayo ditong kasamang washer and dryer. By the way, this is
Wow.
unique. This is our first time ever having a condo. Pag turnover mo, may washer and dryer combination ka na. And nakalagay pa siya sa parang cabinet enclosure. And lastly, meron tayong sleeping area. Tara, check natin.
Let's check it out.
So, before going to sleeping area, meron tayo ditong living and dining. So, medyo pang hotel vibe yung binibigay sa atin ng unit na to because pwede rin siyang gawing Airbnb kasi. So, ideal din yung unit to pang Airbnb.
Pwede ba long-term rentals?
Pwede rin for rentals to.
Okay.
So, ano mapapansin mo dito sa area ng ating living area?
This is very luxurious nga.
Mm-mm.
It follows the theme of the showroom, yung brown, yung white.
Yeah.
Pero syempre, like you said, it's customizable to the
Yes, yun yung maganda
client's
doon.
choice. Oh,
Yung clients or yung buyer masusunod kung anong klaseng design gusto mo sa sarili mong property.
ang ganda.
Oo.
Now over here, parang ganda ng space dito.
Yeah, ito naman yung ating sleeping area.
Tapos this closet over here, included ba siya upon turnover?
Yes, we have here the modular closet, sliding yung door niya, tapos may kasama na siyang mirror. So kung mapapansin mo rin na itong sleeping area natin, kasya dito, queen size, up to king size bed. Nakapaglagay pa siya ng magkabila ang cabinet. So for the studio unit, we have two choices. Meron tayong studio na may balcony at meron tayong studio na walang balcony.
So
Yeah.
ito yung walang balcony.
Yes, so kung mapapansin nyo dito, ayan. This one is the studio without a balcony. But the good thing, it is still full floor-to-ceiling glass window. Meron pa tayong view na makakuha sa unit.
Ganda. Great. Yeah, I've loved what I've seen so far. It's a very spacious studio unit. And I want to get one for myself too.
Yeah, why not? So let's go. Check naman natin is our one bedroom unit. So tara.
Let's go.
So let's go to the second room na available. But before that, ipapakita ko muna ang ating materials na ginagamit sa unit.
Wow.
Ito yung complete list of materials and finishing na gamit natin sa every unit of Uptown Modern. From studio up to 3-bedroom unit. So nakalagay dito yung tiles, yung mga boards, mga materials and equipments natin. Ayan.
Ganda. So you've got a lot of different materials used
Yeah,
for
meron pa tayo dito
surfaces.
sa kabila.
Ganda.
Ayan. Yeah.
Nice.
So this one, another list of materials.
Ganda. Yeah, our units really do have a lot of a variety of
Totoo.
materials used. Very, very high-end.
Worth it. Yeah, worth it talaga tong property na to. So ito naman yung unit layout of our 1-bedroom unit. But for this one, this is the smallest we have for an 1-bedroom with extra room. Because the 1-bedroom unit here has its own maid room or tinatawag natin extra room. The size of this one is 57. We have many choices for 1-bedroom units. Meron tayong 57, 58.50, 64.50, 70 up to 80 plus square meters for the 1-bedroom.
So you're giving your clients a choice talaga on whether they want an extra room or not.
Yes, or kung gusto nila mas malaking klase ng 1-bedroom or yung saktong space lang.
Daming
Ayan.
options.
So ayan, maganda rin to. Meron tayo ditong digital something na may papakita natin yung mga pictures of the renderings. Ayan. Andito rin yung slideshow natin for presentations.
Ganda.
Ayan. Even the list of all inclusion of the units. Andito rin siya.
Nice.
So ayan, gusto mo nang makita yung ating
Yeah, let's check it
1-bedroom?
out.
Okay, let's go. So pagpasok sa unit, we'll be greeted by our kitchen and dining area. So ano mapapansin mo sa kitchen?
This is a very luxurious vibe kitchen. And are all of these included as well?
Yeah.
All of the kitchen appliances included? Grabe.
Actually, sobrang advantage ng property na to because konti na lang yung ilalagay mo sa unit pag turnover sa inyo. Pag bigay ng unit sa inyo, by 2031, you already have the complete appliances in the kitchen. Hindi ka na magpapa-install, magpapa-labor, or bibili ng materials kasi ready to use na siya. Konti na lang idadagdag mo sa kitchen.
Ganda.
Ayan. So ano mapansin mo dito, meron tayong box type sink, retractable faucet, at naka-bar type siya, even for a 1-bedroom.
This is very nice because it gives you the view of the whole unit.
Yeah,
From where
oo.
you're standing.
Mas nagiging maluwag yung unit
Yeah.
sa ganitong klase ng vibe. So doon naman nakalagay yung refrigerator. Pakita mo
Sige.
sa kanila yung refrigerator natin.
Galing. Hidden refrigerator.
Yeah. As a built-in refrigerator, napakaganda rin ng quality niya. As a Goren Hay brand. Oo.
Tapos I noticed, Sir Christian, parang touchscreen yung switches in both the studio and 1-bedroom.
Yeah, those are already upgraded switch. So, by the way, the unit is already smart home equipped. So, that means pag turn over sa inyong unit, pwede siyang i-connect sa smartphone. We can also use Hello Siri, Alexa, or Google as a voice activation sa buong unit. So, hindi na siya yung traditional key na nasisira habang tumatagal.
Oh.
So, para siyang touch feature na lang.
Alright, so show me around the unit naman. I want to see
Yeah.
all of the rooms.
Let's
here.
go. So, ito naman yung ating living area and dining. So, combination ng living and dining, ganito na yung space. This one is a sofa bed. So, giving you a choice na pwede kayong maglagay dito na higaan para sa guest room.
Nice.
So, I like also the size kasi dito, hindi nagtipid ng space yung design.
Oh.
Kumbaga, kahit round table siya kasi usually ang round table, kumakain ng space, di ba? Tapos, malalaki pa yung chairs na gamit niya. Pero nagkasya pa dito 4 seaters and a round table.
Oh, great. Amazing. Grabe. Kahit one space lang siya, you can really feel the divide between the living room
Yes,
and the
actually, that's true.
dining area.
Nakapaglagay pa siya ng...
Oh, may chandelier rin ah. Modern chandelier dito.
Yeah, oo. Ang galing nga ng chandelier
Hindi
kasi
ko na-notice.
payonic yung chandelier, kada rooms.
Tapos parang itong studio, 1-bedroom unit, may balcony rin.
Yes, all of 1-bedroom units has a balcony.
Wow.
Ayan. So, maganda pa dyan, even our balcony has full ceiling glass window, tapos malalaki pa yung size kasi kasya dito 2 chairs and a table.
Galing. Alright, show me how the bedroom looks like nga, Sir
Okay.
Christian.
Sure. But before that pala, every room has free split type inverter aircon.
Built in once you get the unit.
Yes, kasama na siya pag turnover. And usually sa ganitong space, nasa around 2 horsepower siya. That can accommodate the whole space of the common area of the unit.
Good deal.
Okay,
Alright.
so let's go.
Let's check it out.
So this one is our main bedroom of the unit.
Nice.
57 square meter with this kind of layout is sobrang advantage talaga when it comes to size.
Very spacious nga. Kahit one bedroom lang, you don't feel the crampness na you'd usually experience sa mga one bedrooms dito sa BGC, no?
Yeah, kasi nailagay niya pa dito yung queen size bed eh.
Mm.
I think kahit king size kasya pa rin to.
Mm.
So ang ganda rin ng placing ng carpet niya. Ang ganda na nilagay niya rin sa wall. Actually, from the living area pa lang, ang ganda na upgrade sa wall. Kasi ang ginawa sa wall, in-upgrade niya into wallpapers. Kaya nagkaganon yung design niya. Pero pag turnovers natin, magkakaroon tayo ng parang plain painted. So,
Okay.
painted naman na siya na wall.
So it's giving the client options
Idea.
talaga. Parang an empty canvas.
Pero usually some of my clients ginagawa as is na kasi maganda yung finished paint talaga ng unit. If minimalist ka, gusto mo ng hindi masyadong matingkad na kulay. Or kung gusto mo ng aesthetic lang, mas ma-maintain yung aesthetic ng mismong unit, ginagawa nila as is na yung unit kasi maganda rin yung paint talaga.
Galing. Tapos, na-notice ko rin over here,
Yeah.
parang may built-in closet as well. Dito sa bedroom.
Yeah. So every unit has a included modular closet. So
Okay.
sliding siya, kasama na rin tong mirror.
Okay. So just like the studio unit.
Oo. Tapos ganito na rin yung size niya. Oo. Nakakapaglagay na kayo ng dress and clothes. Malaki din yung storage niya.
Alright.
Tapos dito naman, ang maganda dito sa ating one bedroom, meron tayong Jack and Jill access. Dadaan ako sa kabila.
Sige.
Ayan. Yan. So maganda dito, merong access yung mismong main bedroom, meron din access yung living area. Pero from living area ka papuntang bedroom, hindi ka maka-access.
Okay. And in the toilet, what you see is what you get as well?
Yes. So lahat na nakikita nyo dito, ito na rin yung makuha nyo pag turnover ng unit. We have here the complete sanitary fittings. Meron tayong lababo na may malaking cabinets na rin. So makakapaglagay kayo ng gamit dito sa cabinets. Ayan. Meron pa tayong LED lights. Ayan. Sa ating mirror. So kagaya lang din sa studio unit.
Wow.
So meron din tayo ditong built-in toilet with bidet. Kasama na rin tong shower room. So check mo yung shower room.
Very spacious ka. And I'm not a small guy, pero it doesn't feel cramped in here.
Yes. What's your height again, bro?
I think I'm 5'11".
Yeah. So almost 6-footer can fit
Yeah.
nicely on that space.
Thank
So meron pa tayong dagdag lalagyan dyan sa gilid. Pakita mo sa kanila.
Sige, parang may nook dito, no, Sir Christian?
Malalagay mo yung mga gamit mo. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-back ng tiles or ng pader.
Galing.
Ayan.
Cool.
And lastly naman, bago ko makalimutan, ito naman yung ating mage room. Pero usually tawag dito extra room.
Extra room.
Ah,
Bakit pala?
Kasi may sarili siyang toilet and bath.
Wow.
So usually, pwede itong ma-convert into guest room. Pwede rin siyang another room or kids room. So if you have kids, may sarili siyang room, kasya dito single bed. Ano maganda dito, may sarili pa siyang toilet and bath. So ayun, ano masabi mo sa ating extra room?
Very functional nga itong extra room, ha? You have a lot of space here for storage. You can put a bed here. Tapos parang na-notice ko, yung washer and dryer, dito din located.
Yes, meron din tayong washer and dryer dyan. But before that, itong nakalagay dito, this is a sofa bed.
Okay.
So, foldable din siya, nagiging sleeping couch din to.
Okay.
Pero actually, kahit single bed, okay yan. And lastly, pakita ko sa inyo, we have a shower room, toilet, and bath. So, maganda dyan, meron siyang complete set of the toilet, meron din siyang shower set. So, kahit yung lababo, meron din. So, even the bidet is included, and ito naman yung ituro mo na washer and dryer. So, it is also included for the washer and dryer. So, that's it guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo tong showroom tour natin together with Nab. So, kamusta naman sa'yo yung tour?
Yeah, I learned a lot today. Our showroom here in Uptown Mall is very beautiful. And I cannot wait to invite my clients over for a tour.
Oh, siya nga pala. If ever gusto nyo mag-inquire, gusto nyo pag-usapan yung properties na hinahanap nyo, if you're looking for a property investment here in BGC, baka ito na yung tamang time. You can just message us. We have our contacts here. pwede namin kayong iyain dito para magkaroon ng discussion at ma-tour namin kayo ng free dito sa ating showroom. So by the way, I'm Christian again.
And I'm Nathaniel.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
See you there.